Today at ONsalus Health, we explain to you what foods you want to consume to help your body generate more testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone crucial for men's health and well-being, responsible for functions including muscle development, regulation of sexual appetite, bone density, and mood. Production decreases as men age, leading to potential health issues. No food will directly create more testosterone, but the following foods can provide the right circumstances to positively influence natural testosterone production. Oats. Oats are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral essential for hormone regulation. Zinc is also involved in the regulation of the luteinizing hormone, which stimulates the Leydig cells in the testicles for testosterone production. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in overall health. It also contains folate, which can help increase folic acid levels in the blood, which has been linked to an increase in testosterone. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, including oleic acid, which may aid in testosterone production, as is vitamin D, which can also be found in this fruit. Low T can affect sperm production, something you can learn more about in the video we share above. Lean meat. Lean meat, such as chicken, turkey, and fish, is rich in protein and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and regulating hormones. Eggs. Eggs are a source of high-quality protein and contain good cholesterol, which is a testosterone precursor. They are also rich in vitamin D. If this video is helping to answer your questions, consider providing a super thanks to help us grow the channel. Walnuts. Walnuts and other dried fruits are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which potentially aid testosterone production. They also contain arginine, an amino acid that can improve blood circulation and help erectile dysfunction. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice has high antioxidant content, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, something which may aid in testosterone production. While these foods might naturally increase testosterone production, it's important to remember that a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are essential. Including these foods in your diet can be an effective strategy to promote better overall health, which aids in hormone regulation. Here is today's video from ONsalus Health about the foods you should include in your diet if you want to increase your testosterone. If you want to continue learning about healthy diets and foods, don't miss the playlist we share here. Like and subscribe for more videos to come, and we'll see you next time.